Hi there, and welcome to WineCollective, the best place for you to start exploring the world of wine.
With WineCollective, you'll get a custom curated wine package delivered to your door each month.
Let's look at how you can get the most out of your WineCollective membership.
Every delivery comes with wine, along with a printed tasting guide for your wine journey.
This tasting guide is your personal tour guide for the journey that you're about to take. It gives you notes on regions and flavor profiles of the wines you received, as well as other wines that are featured this month. If you flip the page, you can take your own tasting notes and even cut out the tasting card to save it for future reference.
If you want to learn more about a particular wine, just scan the QR code to visit the wine profile on our website. It's that easy. We've also got lots of information online to help you learn more about the wines you are experiencing and the others that are featured that month.
You can always order more of your favorites or taste the other monthly features with your special member pricing.
If you misplace or lose your guide, you can see all of your past wines and even rate them in My Cellar when you log into your account on winecollective.ca.
Lastly, if you're ever wondering, you can keep an eye on your inbox for cool wine information and special offers. We would love for you to join our online community on social media to learn more, and be sure to share your photos.
We hope you swirl, sip, and savor your wine.
Cheers!